It's amazing if you're able to decide the best pro range for your home with so much conflicting information on the internet. And some of this information will assist you with buying the wrong range. In this video, I'll take you through the 7 steps on how to buy the best range for you and your family, and everyone is different. I promise you, your choice will be much clearer by the end of this video. Let's start by defining what a pro range is not. There are more pro range brands to consider now than ever since I started in 1986. Some are decent, others not so much. Many advertise themselves as pro ranges, but they actually lack the high output burners, better boilers, griddle, and grill options of a true professional range. However, many are lower priced, so you get something pro looking for less money, but be careful. Some of these brands are unreliable and will have no service in your area. So when there is a problem with your range, it will become your issue to fix it. So let's narrow down our choices to more established brands like Wolf, Thermador, Miele, Blue Star, Viking, Jenn-Air, and Monograph. Pro ranges are available in 24, 30, 36, 48, and 60-inch widths. For building your house or renovating your kitchen, you'll need to decide what size range you want. 30 inch is the standard size for a range in the United States and has 4 or possibly 5 burners depending on the brand. At 36 inch, you have a larger oven and more space in the cooktop for extra burners, a grill, griddle, or even an induction set of burners. 48 inch, you have even more cooktop options, like a French top, sous vide, and other griddle combinations. You also have 2 ovens, most commonly the 36 inch convection plus a smaller 12 inch side oven. 60 inch ranges are the largest size and offer the most options in the top with up to 10 burners, as an example. The ovens equate to 2 30-inch ranges side by side. Just an FYI, you have less manufacturers producing ranges of this size. Miele, Monogram, Jenn-Air, and SKS don't have a 60-inch range, so now you have a sense of size and option. Pro ranges come in 2 fuel types, all gas meaning a gas cooktop and a gas oven, and dual fuel meaning a gas cooktop and an electric oven. Most appliance stores will push you in the direction of a dual fuel, but this can be a mistake depending on what you like to cook. An all-gas range will roast better because of the heavier moisture heat. It will also broil better, especially with the intense direct heat of an infrared broiler. Infrared broilers don't diffuse heat like a gas broiler. Gas will be 10-15% less expensive than a dual fuel range and will only require 12 or less amps, so you don't have to rewire your kitchen like you would with a 50 amp dual fuel range. Dual fuels, however, have a drier, more precise heat, so you'll bake better in an electric oven. But that's not all. Many brands like Wolf, SKS, and Miele will significantly upgrade their dual fuel ranges with advanced convection systems, controls, and smart functionality. As previously mentioned, depending on the size of your pro range, you also have several cooktop configurations to choose from. First, the burner output on pro ranges can greatly vary depending on the fuel type and brand. Blue Star Pro ranges have the hottest burners overall, featuring multiple 25,000 BTU burners. SKS, Viking, and Monogram have 23,000 BTU burners, while Wolf's dual fuel and Jenn-Air ranges have 20,000 BTU burners. From the lowest simmer offered by SKS and Thermador at 100 BTU, Wolf is the next best at 340 BTU. So if you like to cook low or melt and you want to look at these brands, here are your other options outside of burners. Many brands offer grills on their pro ranges. The best type of grill will be an infrared grill. Its direct heat really sears your food and will burn your drippings off for easier cleaning. Griddles allow you to cook anything. Gas grills are the best to heat. SKS, Jenn-Air, and Viking offer grills made of chromium and are the simplest to clean. French tops are a griddle in reverse, with the ability for you to cook many items at different temperatures at the same time. You should also consider induction burners because they're faster with a better simmer than any gas burner. It's also the most child safe, easiest to clean, and easiest to vent. By the way, you can buy a full induction stove at 30 inches, but also now in the larger 36 and 48 inches as well. Only SKS has a sous vide option on their cooktop, but it's interesting. Sous vides are precision boiling in a bag. You add your protein and condiments. It's cooked perfectly, and the food keeps its color even when you reheat the next day as well. You have basic controls even without a clock and timer in many ranges, like Blue Star, Wolf and All Gas, Thermador, and Viking. Even this $200,000 La Cornue has no clock or timer. Then you have the ranges with incredibly intuitive control. Miele has their M-Touch guided cooking program. You add the food and how you want to cook. The oven will set time and temperature. They also have their Moisture Plus feature, which offers steam assist capabilities that add flavor, texture to your meats, or hard crusts for your bread. The Wolf Gourmet guided cooking is similar, doesn't offer steam, but allow you the precise rack position. SKS is their easy-use swipe controls, shows you the food and you touch the button. Then you have the 7-inch touchscreens of the Blue Star Dual Fuel, Monogram, and Wolf. Technology in a Pro range really runs the gamut. However, dual fuels will typically have the most advanced features. Ovens and controls go hand in hand to an extent. Best oven convection system in dual fuel is the Wolf Dual Fuel range with their Vertiflow convection system with twin fans, larger elements. Blue Star and SKS are pure convection in their all-gas range, so the heat is blown in from the rear of the range. You can also choose to have specialty ovens built into your range in larger sizes. Thermador and SKS offer full steam ovens, which is the best way to cook by cooking with moisture instead of radiant heat. Before we get into the last and most serious consideration, you only have a few options for a unique color. Blue Star is exceptional with 1,000 colors and 10 trims. You can even customize one of your own. Viking has 17 Sherwin-Williams-inspired colors. Wolf now has white or black. Monogram has some nice brass accents along with its stainless steel, which is what you're buying in the brands Miele, Thermador, and Genair. You can pick the right range for you from all these options and features, but don't stop there. You have to look at service too, and that must be part of your decision. You'll enjoy those M-Touch controls, the Wolf Gourmet settings, or infrared power grill, but only if they work. Click here to learn more about the best 48-inch Pro ranges for this year, and thanks for watching.